Hi everyone, my name is Auggie Hudak and you're about to play through the project Build an Image Processing Server. In this project, you'll be using Node and Express to build an image processing service. We will start by creating a form to upload a photo. Then we'll save the photo to disk and spin up a couple of worker threads to process the image in parallel. One worker thread will resize the photo while the other one converts it to monochrome. In this project, we will use event listeners to communicate between threads. We'll use async and await to pause execution while our photos are being processed. We will create 2 worker threads. We will also resolve and reject a promise. By the end of this project, you'll have a better understanding of various asynchronous patterns in Node. You'll also gain some valuable experience working in a real-world environment on your own computer. Before beginning the project, it will be helpful for you to have a basic understanding of Node version 12 or higher, as well as Express. If you need a refresher on those topics, then check out the Node.js skill path on Pluralsight. It's time to get started, so good luck and have fun learning by doing on Pluralsight.